Now, in order to build your profitable one-person business, the first question that most people are going to have is, what are you even supposed to sell? You basically have two things you can sell. It's either you're going to sell a product, okay? So that's why everyone's selling the idea of like an app made with AI, or you're going to sell a service. Now, I want to quickly go through the pros and cons of each so you can make informed decisions on where you want to commit your time. Okay, so if you want to make some kind of AI app or some kind of product, the pros of that is you make it once and you sell it forever, right? So that's why people have these apps people pay like $5 a month for, and it might make sense, but the challenge of that is it's very time consuming to actually learn how to vibe code and create something that's usable. Even if you spend all that time, you're not even sure if people are going to buy it. And if you really look at the data, the majority of apps that are created with AI don't even make $100. Probably more than 99% of them like completely fail, right? For me, I kind of lean on AI powered services because a service is really just a promise, meaning you sell the thing first and then you build whatever it is that you promised later. So you don't have to commit any time or resources to build something, right? You can make money right away. There's zero startup time and zero startup costs because it's just a promise and you use the money clients give you to build whatever it is you want to build. And in some ways it's scalable because once you build it one time, you can sell the same thing over and over to different people. And the best part of this all is you can do all of this just using Claude and only Claude without any like complicated automations and connecting all these APIs, just Claude. That's it, and it works. And I'll show you later in this video, right? So you don't need any technical skills. The con of it is, yeah, maybe it's not as scalable as an app could be because it is a service at the end of the day, but just an AI powered service. But that con is not actually a bad thing because if you have an AI powered service, meaning you're doing the same thing for everybody, you could eventually turn it into an app and sell it to more businesses, right?